Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to extract text from an internet browser to a note. So for example, Samsung Note. So you'll be basically using split screen on your S25 Ultra using your S Pen. So let's say for example, you're on an internet browser and you're going through some notes about the parts of eyes and how we see it. Let's say for example, you want to take all this information and paste it in a note. So let me show you how to do this. So go ahead and select the text you want to paste in your note. Now go ahead and make that selection. Now go ahead and drag it to the left or to the right. So we'll go ahead and drag it to the left. Now here you'll be able to open it with Samsung Internet or Samsung Notes. Let's go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. We'll go ahead and create a new note out of it. So whatever information you've copied here, this will basically be copied into your notes, and you can basically work on a split screen overview. So for example, you can go ahead and copy more notes from the top from your Internet Explorer and go ahead and paste it in your notes and the down below here. So there you go guys, that is how to extract text from internet browser to your Samsung Note using the split screen option on your Samsung S25 Ultra and your S Pen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.